Hi, Barbie!
Hi, Ken!
Hey, my nikicharmz, welcome back to my channel. I am Nikki of Balloon by nikicharmz. So today's video, we're doing a shimmer wall backdrop with balloons coming out of the wall. So if you're interested in something like this, stay tuned. So today's video, I am prepping for a photo shoot using this House of Party silver shimmer wall. Shout outs to them for sending me this package. In this box, it comes with zip ties, wall hooks, the shimmer walls, and directions. This is how it looks. It comes with a clear backing, so it's a little more transparent depending on where you're placing the wall. So I'm laying the planners flat and directly on the floor, placing them next to each other, and I'm just connecting them with the zip ties. And according to the directions, you're supposed to place it a certain way so that it all goes in the same direction. Once I connected all the panels, I placed it on my backdrop stand and I started to raise it and level it the right way. If you want to see a more detailed tutorial, let me know down below in the comments. Then I took some extra zip ties and hooked it to the wall to make sure that it is secure on the backdrop stand. It's fairly simple. You may need help to hang it, but it's simple. Okay, let's get started with the fun part. Today I'm using Tuftex hot pink balloons and Qualatex rose pink, all in 17, 11, and 5-inch balloons. First thing I'm doing is building clusters by blowing up my 11-inch balloons, adding some 17 inches in. And I'm making clusters of 6 this time. I normally make 8, but it's 6 this time. So I blow them up, release air, crisscross, and tie off the balloons. To create dupes, which are 2 balloons, then I interlock 3 pairs of dupes to create a cluster of 6 balloons altogether. So to start this garland, I am creating a mini garland. Using my 260 balloon, I'm stretching it out and I'm starting off with the first pair of dupe, and I am just continually adding dupes on top of each other, turning them in another angle once I add a new pair of dupes. And I'm adding some hot pink and then some rose pink just to keep it at a color block style. And this is the simplest way how to make a balloon garland. So I took a 260 and I tied it on the back of the panel so I can easily hook my garland to it. And I'm just wrapping my 260 around the balloon just so that it's secure. Then I'm securing it at other spots as well. After that, I'm taking my clusters and I am tying the necks of them together. I did it for some, and some I just left as a plain cluster. And look at it, it's so pretty. It's giving Barbie theme. Next, I'm adding new clusters to the garland where I see fit. And as I am adding the clusters, I'm trying to shape the garland, trying to make it thick in some places and fill the space. Here I am shaping and playing around with it, tying it in some places that I felt need to be tighter. And here's your balloon hack for the day. I'm taking one of my wall hooks and I'm placing it on the floor, then taking a 260 and wrapping it around the balloon and then looping it around the wall hook and double tying it to keep the lower balloons from moving and secure. And I'm just continuing to add more clusters to fill the space. And of course, the balloons have a mind of its own. And me vibing out per usual. The key to building this garland is making a mini garland and just continue to add clusters to it until you fill the space and get the shape that you like. It could be as wide as this, or it could even be skinnier. In the end, I realized I should have made the space more visible. Now it's time for some 5-inch balloon clusters. So for the hot pink, I decided to do some mini garlands. So I'm just blowing up at least 10 pairs of dupes and I'm creating a mini garland. And it's the same way how you create the regular garland as I showed you before, just with 5-inch balloons now. And for the pink, I just used regular clusters. And to make this balloon garland a little more extra, I added some custom balloons into it. If you want to see a detailed tutorial on this balloon, let me know in the comments and I'll post the video. And here it is. Isn't it so pretty? It says 1K for my 1,000 subscribers. But since we're on the Barbie trend, we can also add Barbie decals to it. So I made 2 in different colors and placed them in different areas. Now it's design time. Now this is the fun part where you put your artistry to the test and add in the filler balloons where you see it looks fit. Some of the clusters I added a pair of dupes to it to fill spaces. As I'm placing these clusters, I'm taking a step back to see how it looks. And the star of the show, my mini garland. It just brings your garland to another level, giving it more texture. And of course, another dance break. And I'm just adding my finishing touches. Make sure to stay around to the end. Now, isn't she lovely? Pretty in pink. To make this backdrop pop, I added a fake cake. Yes, I said a fake cake. I'll link the tutorial in the description box below. This is perfect for a birthday party, a pop-up shop, baby shower, photo shoot, and of course for a Barbie themed party. Like, hey Barbie, I would totally want to go to one of those. I want to thank you guys for all the love and support. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, be blessed, guys. But that's not it. You know I couldn't leave without